All right, I got a 2014 Toyota Prius. Customer complaint was check hybrid system, stop the vehicle in a safe place, check PCS system. And I mean, right there the lights will pop up, but it's kind of hard to see because it's all flashing. But right here we have a code for P0A0D, voltage or high voltage system interlock circuit high. So that indicates something is up with the safety switch. So right here, I don't know what happened, but sometimes you might bump into something, and if it's like that where this guy's disconnected, that will throw that code. So you need to check right here, and if it's just like that, you need to make sure it's fully clipped in where you can't pull it out. The car will not start because of that. So go in the car, let's see if it starts. Let's give that one more shot, and voila, there we have it. It starts. Hybrid light, you have to clear the code. Once you clear the code, then you're all set and done. But if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you have any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more upcoming videos in the future. And thanks for watching.